Hi, my name is Piyush, and I've been working as an intern at Unified Mentor for 3 months. And this is a feedback video. Uh, in a short line, it has been a great experience. I already had some basics of web development, and Unified Mentor has helped me master my skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and mostly everything that is needed for a web developer. And I, as an individual, would recommend Unified Mentor for new and upcoming students who seek experience and learning. And as a feedback from myself, I would love to learn again from Unified Mentor. Thank you.